Hello and welcome to this presentation explaining how to use your Optimum client portal. Optimum uses Microsoft SharePoint to store all of its client documentation. So when you work with us, we set up a specific site within SharePoint to store all the documents we are working on for you. We call this a client portal. Your Optimum project manager will inform you of the URL, username and password to use to access your client portal. By way of example, this presentation demonstrates a client portal for a fictional borough council called Lowerton. First, you'll need to open Internet Explorer. You can use other browsers to access your client portal, but as SharePoint is a Microsoft product, it generally works best in IE. Other browsers may lack some useful functionality. In the address bar, enter the URL provided by your Optimum project manager and press return. When prompted, enter your username and password and click OK. Remember, passwords are case sensitive. Note that the URL you have been given is an alias or a shortcut that redirects you to a much more long and complicated web address. Don't worry, you're in the right place. Hopefully that's made obvious by the appearance of your logo in the top right corner. Optimum simply provides the alias for your ease of reference. You are now at the Client Portal homepage. Let's have a look around. One of the main things you'll be interested to view through your Client Portal is the progress of the documentation we're developing for you, which can be seen here in the document library. All documents are grouped by their status. Optimum uses a number of statuses to denote the progress of a document. As a client, you will see documents with any of the 4 status descriptions numbered 6 to 9 seen here. As this is just a sample portal, only a few documents are shown here, but Optimum may produce dozens of documents for you, so it is important to note that only 10 at a time can be shown on the homepage. To view the full library of documents, select Documents from the navigation pane on the left. To view one of the documents in the library, simply click on its name. When prompted, enter your username and password to open the document in its native application. In this case, PowerPoint. Note that should you now open another PowerPoint document, you will not be prompted to enter your username and password again. It is only necessary to log in when opening a document from SharePoint for the first time. Once you have finished reviewing the document, simply close it to return to SharePoint. Below the Documents area appears a section called Schedule. The schedule shows you who from Optimum is working with you, on what date, and on which activity. This is updated live from Optimum's resource booking system, so it always gives you up-to-the-minute information. Down the right hand of the homepage appears a list of announcements. Announcements are used by the Optimum team, in particular the project manager, to share important information. For example, announcing a change in the training environment URL. The list on the homepage shows only the announcement headline. To view the detail of the announcement, click on the headline like so. Once you have read the detail of the announcement, simply click Close to return to your Client Portal homepage. Next, down on the right is a list of contacts. This includes both Optimum consultants, your project team members, and any third parties who may be working on your project. Your staff are listed as part of the client group. Following on from contacts is a list of useful links. Optimum's consultants will use this area to keep shortcuts to websites, such as your intranet, your training server, or even a file path on your network, where they are storing the working copies of their documents. Finally, in the bottom right corner is a map showing your location, used to ensure Optimum's consultants always know where to find you. That summarizes the main points of interest you will find on your Client Portal homepage. There are some other parts of your Client Portal that are only found by selecting the relevant link from the left-hand navigation. In particular, there is the Client Feedback section, where you can view the results of the feedback your staff have given after attending a training course conducted by Optimum. There is also the course bookings area, which shows the schedule of your training courses and who from your staff are booked onto them. However, this only applies if you have purchased Optimum's course administration service. Otherwise, many of the links on the left have the same names as areas we've already seen around your portal homepage. This is because the links on the left will take you to a fuller view of the information than it is possible to fit within the confines of your homepage. So if you want to know more about your documents, or the list of contacts, then select the relevant link. Finally, at the bottom of the left-hand navigation, you will find additional help on using your client portal. So if you've still got questions after you've finished viewing this presentation, select one of the links under the How to Use this portal section. Thank you for listening to this demonstration on Optimum's client portal.